I want to take this opportunity to thank you for subscribing to our Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts YouTube channel. It's been quite a journey. This channel really started in my mind quite by accident. There was a recording of me being done while we were on a journey from the Dunn's Falls in Ocherius, Jamaica, returning our clients to the Grand Bahia Principe. These same clients requested that I give them a little information on Jamaica, since up to that point they knew nothing. This was an incentive group, top producers for their company. And so, as the true former tour guide, I was happy to oblige, and before you knew it, we broke out into song, and it was just such a lovely experience. Much to my surprise, about a year later, I was in another room in the house, and I heard my voice being played on a device somewhere in the house, talking about a tour. I was on a tour, and I was shocked. I was like, what is that? And I later discovered that my son, Desroy, had recorded this particular tour, and he had loaded it onto YouTube. I had no idea that this was like a year before I discovered that it had actually happened. Now, with that, he suggested that we began making YouTube videos because there are so many things I had to say that people wanted to hear. I was a little bit concerned because I had no idea that I had things to say that people wanted to hear. Or better put, I didn't have a clue what of all the things I have to say people want to hear. Now, fast forward over 200 videos later, and this is probably going into our third year on YouTube, and we're very happy that we have supplied useful content over the years. We are happy that we have gained many new subscribers, and we are also happy that our clients have been able to benefit from footage of our journeys that have been very instrumental in helping to secure their various vacation packages. And so I salute in this particular presentation the steam behind the engine, my son Desroy. He has been the editor, the organizer, the uploader, the maker. I'm just the voice. And so I encourage you now to help us to grow our channel in a real way. We are encouraging all of you to subscribe. If you've just come by and you're listening casually, like our video. Those thumbs up are so very good for us in increasing our shareability. Share. And that notification bell, yep, that bell, you just need to click it so that our content can really go out across the world. And with this new season that we're entering into, we might be shifting gear and changing things up a little, and you don't want to miss it. So whatever you do, wherever you're planning to go, remember, here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we minimize your hassle so you can maximize your fun. Now, as you know, travel is our heart, and this last period, this last quarter, I would even say from the beginning of January, it has been rough for us. It's been tough. Many times I watch other YouTube videos and I realize that subscribers really want to meet their creators. They want to meet the people who create these channels, offer content, and get to know them in a real way. And for us, we've been talking about travel, all things travel, It's really been wonderful, but we've also had our own downtime. And for me, I have had a very tumultuous period from the end of last year coming into this year. And so, as I move out of one sphere of life, embarking on a new journey, COVID happened. Can you just imagine? And so, as time progressed, our hotels were shut down. But before that, cruise lines had a cessation of travel, and the world literally started to go mad. But of course, during this time, we found that it was a good time to regroup, reestablish our focus, never keeping you out of the loop. And so we really hope that you have found value in the content, the updates about cruising and what's new and what's happening, the changes, and the way forward. Today, though, I'm very excited to bring to you a presentation about a beautiful property. Many people over the life of meeting me in person or otherwise know me as a cruise lady. And I have tried to distinguish myself as such for the main reason that many Jamaicans, both living locally and in the diaspora, have been taken to cruising. However, they tend to not know some of the tips and trips, shall we call it. And so my intention has been to share those and also to assist them in getting the best bang for their buck. And you know, our agency is a part of a global agency that falls under the American Express banner. And so the deals are rife, the benefits are great, and we can just deliver far more than an online booking agency, more than the average agency. And we know where the deals and the steals are. So it has been quite a good opportunity, particularly in the world of cruising, for us to differentiate ourselves, to stand out from the crowd, to offer you, oh my goodness, the onboard credit, the specialty dining opportunities, the free gratuities. Oh, we have been able to offer free shore excursion credits. The list has really extended itself as our suppliers have gotten more and more creative, as the competition became so fierce. And when suppliers, cruise lines, offer these competitive packages, our clients are the winners. And so we've been happy to have been able to distinguish ourselves and to have brought you all of the steals and deals that the world of cruising had to offer. Now, with all that has been happening in the world of cruising, compliments of the CDC and government agencies and ports that are now banning ships, everything has kind of gotten into a tailspin. There are over 400 cruise ships that are kind of just sitting idly by, wondering what will happen. Some of them have started being sold off, as you have seen in our other videos, and we're seeing a transformation in how the industry will look like when we come post-COVID. However, never to be undone, never to be forgotten, is a destination immersive experience that you can get. As we are resort specialists, have always been. We started out as resort specialists. We branched into cruising simply because instead of being able to experience one destination, the idea of cruising would allow you to have a floating hotel taking you from one destination to another. And this has been so beautifully executed over the years. Now, last year September, for my birthday gift, shall I brag? My son Desroy invited me on a trip that he had earned to Cancun, Mexico. Oh my goodness, that was great. That was awesome. And it was particularly wonderful for me because just at about the age that he's at now, I was selected to represent a hotel chain that I worked with. I was pretty young with them and pretty young in age, but I've always been a very sturdy, stable person. So I think, anyway. And so I was invited to form a group of sales agents who were promoting this group to Mexican travel agents. And so we went to Mexico City, and had a wonderful time meeting with the agencies, sharing with them, and pretty much getting ready to grow that brand in South America. And of course, it did help that I was fluent in Spanish, shall I just say. I was pleasantly surprised when the opportunity presented itself to see another part of Mexico. Mexico City is like any other city, except for me, the altitude was quite disarming. And of course, the difficulty to breathe and the traffic and all that makes, Mexico City DF a cosmopolitan city. And so I was very excited to see what it would be like being down on the beach, being on the flat, experiencing the touristy side of Mexico. And there's so much of Mexico to enjoy. So we arrived into Cancun, and it has just been a wonderful experience. We journeyed on with our host, Playa Resorts, to Playa del Carmen. Oh my goodness, ooh la la. And can I just tell you, I would live there. I mean, hands down, I would live in Playa del Carmen today. Actually, I would live in Cancun. I would just move to Mexico. I am so in love. Nevertheless, in today's presentation, we are going to show you images of the refurbishment that has happened to the Hilton Playa del Carmen. It is an immense property. It is beautiful. The renovations have kicked it up so many notches that I am almost speechless. The bespoke look, the ampleness, the wide variety of dining options. Oh my goodness. My challenge to you for the rest of 2020, all of 2021 and 2022, we need to be booking Cancun, Mexico. Airlift is easy from the States. It's one connecting flight if you are on the East Coast, pretty much from anywhere, from LaGuardia with Southwest, taking you directly into Fort Lauderdale and on into Cancun. Of course, if you're already in Fort Lauderdale with Southwest, you get straight in there. So many other air providers will have packages. We're working through our supplier FunJet that is big on Mexico, and so is our other supplier, Apple Leisure Group and Classic Vacations. We've got you covered everywhere. Delta Vacations, Delta will take you there. So you need to call us right here Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We are your Cancun specialist. We are taking you into Playa del Carmen. You need to be enjoying this beautiful property right there on the doorsteps of Fifth Avenue. Did we say Fifth Avenue? Oh, yes. The shopping district that rivals just about anywhere. Fifth Avenue. Yep. And you're just steps away. Perched right along the Caribbean Sea, might I just add, and right across the road from Panama Jack. And we've also done a review on the Panama Jack property. It is immense.